No, act like one of those foreign YouTubers who go to like America and
It's gotta be a
do
quick
like.
one, Malcolm.
Okay. Hello guys and welcome to this.
You sound just like
Hello everybody and welcome to Faction Motorsports. Every week we do one hot lap. If you want to know what hot lap is, we come to the shop, talk about what we have going on, and we are in East Rutherford, New Jersey, US of A.
You sound just like those guys.
I watch a lot of YouTube.
Like what Melchi or whatever, the guy in Nürburgring?
Oh, I don't. Is he that f***ed up?
No, you sound more athletic than him.
Okay, everybody. Well, if you. All right, let me stop
It's gotta be quick.
disrespecting people.
Malcolm tried to get away with not doing a hot lap this week.
It's Friday.
And I decided to remind them.
Wait. April 24th, hot lap number 107. What's up, man?
What's up? You want to be in the video?
Come on in.
You want to be in the video? Come on.
Oh, sure.
He said, "F it, why not?" What's up? Just picking up wheels right now. We got some wheels. Let's go take a look.
Yeah, let's
what we
check
got.
it out.
Yeah, let's check them out. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, that's the car, right?
Yep, that's my RS.
Okay, that's cool. All right, wheels are right here. Ooh, these are nice too. Who makes these?
They were custom.
These are custom made?
Custom made.
Holy sh!
Me.
Yeah.
GT3 replicas.
Damn,
14 by
okay.
9.
Yeah, I could say. Well, they had like custom sizes on the back, right? Right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn.
Engraved. It's pretty sick.
Sounds expensive.
All right, Malcolm, go check out the car they're going on. There you go. They're going on that car.
What do we got? What do we got? Got the, it's a RS? Is this a TT? It's a TTRS. You don't really see a lot of those ever. Whoa, I kind of like this thing. Looking real bulbous, you know? Oh, manual. Damn, TTRS.
What's that clothing brand that's like just like a hill?
The clothing brand that's just a hill?
It looks like the logo of it.
Ah, I don't know. A hill. No idea. Anyway, cool car. It's basically a Porsche. It looks like a Porsche. It's like a midget Porsche. Or dwarf. Sorry, what do I say? Little people. A little person Porsche. LZ World Tour was last weekend. Thank you to everybody who stopped by the booth, copped our merch. We had some new merch. And don't worry, Patreon members, your bundle is coming. I think we're gonna do a little, Eddie. I think I might have you put up a poll on the Patreon to see what pair of shirts they would want. You know what I'm saying? Because we got a lot of new merch. We obviously can't give it all because we'd go broke. Club Loose Spring Moves is tomorrow. Yo, you driving Club Loose tomorrow? Huh? Club Loose Spring Moves tomorrow.
No.
Damn. Chris, you driving? What? You driving Spring Moves? Nope. Car is still knocking. If you guys don't know, the giveaway for this month is Stance coilovers. A whole set of Stance coilovers. So every $5 spent on the website, you get one entry. And if you buy some other Stance products, you got triple entries. You get the weather shock covers, or the oversized water pump pulley for SR, subframe riser bushings, whatever the Stance products are. You could buy a set of coilovers and probably get triple entries on a set of coilovers. So then you get another set of coilovers for another car. What is in the shop this week? We got that thing, G35. Put a comment if you know whose car that was. It's got a record. It's got a record. Got a Honda Accord in here. Getting some maintenance, getting some SR swap. Yeah. Got this NB Miata. I think NBs are my favorite Miata. Yeah, Wag's got one of these. This one's pretty clean. Got a new oil pan. The last person stripped out the oil drain plug, and the new owner was not very happy about that, so we had to get a whole new one. You got to drop the subframe to put this oil pan in.
Yep.
When I saw the labor rate for this, I was like, what? Why is it so much? And now I know.
Yep.
Now I know.
Yep.
I mean, it's obviously how they make this car so small. Put the subframe on top of the whole freaking... You know what I'm saying?
The subframe makes the whole car.
Yeah, subframe is the whole
life
car.
of the car.
Yeah. This thing's cool, though. I love a good Miata. Miata. What else we got going on? Let's go take a look at the new merch. If you guys didn't know, Frankie is back from his trip. You saw it on the last Hot Lap. Had some comments on the last Hot Lap. Thrash and Supply is sick. They're like the Faction Motorsports of Harley Davidson. That's a compliment right there. Faction and Thrashing bike nights. Damn, that'd be sick. I would love to meet those guys one day. I watch a lot of their YouTube videos. They're really smart. They're like geniuses, especially Juan from Thrash and Supply. He was an aerospace engineer, I'm pretty sure. Aerospace engineer, if I remember correctly. That guy's a genius. Cool guy. Let's see. Shirts. We call this the Last Look shirt. Got a broken rear view mirror with the skeleton looking in the rear view. Tough luck, kiddo. This is the one I designed, or I didn't draw it, but I made the idea. Does that mean I designed it? No. What does that mean?
You were the visionary.
I was the visionary.
Creative director.
Creative director. I should put that on my card. You call this a snap-off shirt because look at the broken bolt right there, snapped off with the ratchet. 13 mil because lucky 13. Yeah, our Snap-on fans. I know you guys would probably appreciate this shirt. The guys who watch our Snap-on videos. Yeah, call it the Snap-off. What else we got? We got the Hissy Fit tee, is what Frankie named it. He just wanted something real, it's not really car related, but...
I think I named it.
You named it Hissy Fit? No, I think Frankie named it Hissy Fit, but you agreed. I didn't like it. I think you both named it Hissy Fit. If you want to take credit, I'll give you credit. Eddie named this one the Hissy Fit tee. I like the front logo. I really like that front logo. We might do something with this front logo, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. What else we got? Oh, we got the, we call this one the Tough Luck tee. That's what we named the whole collection. And look at the tags. Tough Luck Collection. This is size XL, not a size extra triple L. That's just a number 13 for the lucky 13. But Tough Luck Collection, this one, called it the Tough Luck tee. Got that black cat, that superstition, you know. This is supposedly Chris Nazzaro's car. This is Chris Nazzaro in an alley with his cat, broken down. Cool shirt. We have Carl. No, that's not Carl's. Carl's tee's over here. Oops. So this is Carl's shirt. So I got the 1, 2, 3. That's an automatic loss in CeeLo, which y'all know about 4, 5, 6 auto win. This is Nick and Carl with Carl's broken down car under street light, black cat on the hood, wheel off. Just the worst of luck. But hey, you're still having fun playing some dice.
Show them the other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, with Chris.
Yeah.
Chris Nazzaro.
Yeah, I brought his name up. And this is our last one.
Ooh.
Total loss.
Total loss.
This thing is smoked. No pun intended. Got a burnt down car. This guy's stressed. Rubbing his head. I really like the colors on this one. It's real nice. It's pleasing to the eye. And here's the front logo, fire extinguisher. I just about shipped out all the pre-orders from the last month for these shirts. Only got a couple more left. The really big orders I haven't. There's like a couple of them I didn't get to send out yet. But yeah, that is the new Tough Luck collection. Let me get this. What else? Let's see. Oh, we had a Toyota Cressida drift video. Go check that one out. That one had a lot of cool footage. There's a whole bunch of our friends drifting in that one too. So go check that out on the YouTube. Uh-oh. What else we got? Let's see what Thrash racing seats we still got left. Oh. Let's see. Here we have a Pro Spec Gamma in blue. Here we have a Street Spec Alpha in emerald green. This is the seat that the last month's giveaway winner chose. That's the one sitting in the office. I got to ship that out for the winner. That's the one he chose, though. What else we got? This is a Street Spec Alpha in black. Very cool. Here, this is a Street Spec Alpha in red. And then underneath, what? Street Spec Alpha in red. And then here, we have a Pro Spec Gamma in black. Bada bing, bada boom. If you're interested in any of those, hit us up. Uh-oh, UPS! I got some time. All right, what else we got going on? That's about it, guys. Be sure to check out our Texas series of podcasts on the Patreon. Wait, those are out now? Oh, I think that was an old note you had on there.
They're still there.
Wait.
Still exclusive ones there.
Oh, there's still exclusive ones? Which ones weren't released yet?
Last two, I believe.
There's two more that haven't been released of the Texas series. Colin and Fat Cats. So go, if you want some early access, go to the Patreon and get that listening on. Oh yes, we have a podcast coming out today. We had a couple friends on the podcast last night. It was episode 200, so it's kind of just a kickback, hanging out, talking about some conspiracies and such. But yeah, go check out episode 200. And also, our Eddie's LZ World Tour video recap is on there. So go check that out. A lot of cinematic shots that Eddie got. He got some big-ass lens. It was like this long. Go check that out. Huh? Oh. That's the XB. It's our parts. World pack. All right. Well, that's all, guys. That's all. Let's get out of here. Come on, let's have everybody say goodbye. Oh wait, we got two more seats too. Got this Pro Street Circuit Spec Alpha in purple and Pro Spec Gamma in blue. All right, guys. See you later. Have a good one. Cheers.
Just a reminder, we are giving away products every month over on FactionMotorsports.com. Every $5 spent gets you one entry. Faction Motorsports merch and products gets you double entries, and Brand of the Month products get you triple entries. For our raffle this month, we have partnered with Stance Suspension to give away a set of XR1 coilovers. When it comes to drifting, Stance Suspension sets the bar. From their entry-level XR1 coils all the way to their fully custom D1 spec coilovers, Stance has been leveling up drifters for over 20 years now. Stance has been supplying all of our favorite drivers for decades, drivers like Jimmy Oaks, Naoki Nakamura, and Julian Jacobs, to name a few. Their lineup has only grown over the last couple of years, and the trust we have in their product is unmatched. We have also been pushing the brand in our shop since the start. Stance is our first recommendation for any drifter looking for a new set of coilovers. If you are interested in purchasing Stance suspension products, make sure to visit our website, factionmotorsports.com, and don't forget, every $5 spent gets you one entry to win a free set of coilovers this month only.